Hello. This is, well, wait, hold on. I don't know why I keep my phone. Okay, hold on. Hold that a minute. This is my son Meowsos, and then never mind, forget what I said. This is my son Meowsos, and I just want to tell you that I just wanted to make a video about my son's Meowsos. And they are pretty awesome. Now they are twins. Thank you very much for this review. If you are watching this right now, please don't forget to subscribe so I can get 80 subscribers. And if I can get to 80 subscribers, I will make a video about 80 subscribers. Oh, and next video will be about me making 70 subscribers. Bye guys.